in the video.
Hello, everyone. This is Mo's Vlogs, episode 10, Blizzard. As you can see, we have blizzards, a mini blizzard behind me, and I'm going to eat it.
I got a small blizzard. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm trying to get off my outfit.
Okay.
Tired of this.
Thank you.
My cookie dough.
It's yummy.
I have a cookie dough one.
And it's really yummy. Really, really yummy.
Ta-da, huh? Yeah. Oh, this is random. This is totally random now. Hey, Bo, we're all here to eat the cookie dough.
That is a lot of cookie dough plants.
And we're here to be in the video. Viral video! Jeez, I want to eat this. I bought it.
So everybody, this is the final episode in season 1. Next episode will be season 2.
Look at my face.
Go to the bathroom and wash it off.
No!
So everybody, it is a great day here. Well, not really. It's sort of cloudy, but it's great. It's great here. It is cloudy, you see.
My head is backwards!
Dude, I should not scream. So everybody, I hope you have enjoyed.
Wait, it's not over yet! We have to show them us eating our blizzards! Starting with cookies.
Thank you for watching, everybody. We will see you in season 2.